Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, guess what we're making? We are making a chicken parmesan with a linguine pasta. And honestly, I know this meal looks good, but trust me, it tastes way better. So we're just gonna get into making this meal. Please like and comment on this video so that I can get more views, and let's get into it. You're going to start off with 4 chicken cutlets, and you're going to make sure that your chicken cutlets are about this size, so this thin or thinner. Anything bigger than this, it's actually going to be kind of hard to coat the chicken and then cook it. So definitely try to find something about this size or thinner. If your chicken is a little bit on the bigger side, so I use this method. I just put the chicken breast into parchment paper, or place it on parchment paper, fold it over, and then I get something to basically bang the chicken to make it flatter. I'm using an ice cream scooper because that's all I can find at the moment, but anything that you have in your kitchen you can just use, and you're gonna just basically hit the chicken to make it as thin as possible. This is the seasoning that I use to season the chicken. So I just use Mrs. Dash, some garlic powder, and seasoned salt, Lawry's. And I'm just gonna season both sides of the chicken, just lightly season both sides. I'm gonna demonstrate with just one piece of chicken how you're gonna coat your chicken. So you're gonna dip it in the flour first, and this is about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of flour that I do have set aside. I'll have everything in the description. You're then going to place it into your eggs. This is about 3 eggs, 3 medium eggs. Once you have the eggs fully coated on the chicken, you're then going to dip it into the breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. And this is about 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Chicken breasts should look like this after you coat them all. So these are my 4 chicken breasts, and now I'm just going to take them and I'm going to place them in a pan with some oil and just fry each side. So you basically just want to get a nice brown coat on each side of the chicken before you place it into the oven. As the chicken is cooking, you're then going to prep your marinara sauce, and this is the brand that I use. I got it from Whole Foods, and honestly this brand has so much flavor, so I definitely recommend this one. I'm going to warm up my sauce, and then I'm going to place a little bit down in the pan that I'm going to use to bake my chicken parmesan. You're now going to place your chicken breast into the pan just like this, and once your chicken breast looks like this, you're basically going to set your oven to 425, and you're going to place the marinara sauce on top of your chicken. You're going to get a good amount on top of it because you're then going to top it off with mozzarella cheese. And I use about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese because I really love cheese. So if you love cheese like I do, definitely use 2 cups. If not, you can do 1.5 cups or maybe 1 cup. It's to your liking. As our chicken is in the oven, we're going to boil some water, add some olive oil to it, and then add our noodles and cook our noodles. And once we do that, our chicken parmesan is finished. When you take your chicken parmesan out of the oven, it should look like this, nice and cheesy and crispy. So now you're just gonna get your noodles, place your noodles on the bowl, add some marinara sauce, and then add 1 piece of the chicken parmesan on top, and you are all good to go to eat and enjoy. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe because I had a lot of fun making it, and it's definitely in my top recipes now. So Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also, if you have any recipes you would like me to try or would like to create, leave it down in the comments.